Hey guys, Stuart here. Welcome back to another Sheetify CRM tutorial. Today's focus is to dive into Gemini Notebook. Formerly called Notebook LM, this Google app has recently evolved into a leading AI-powered research and note-taking tool. Today, I'm going to dive in and share how you can master Gemini Notebook in minutes. All right, let's go ahead and dive in. Now, you can use Gemini Notebook for free with a free Google account. However, if you use Google Workspace, you'll have access to more advanced features. Now, there are a few ways that you can access Gemini Notebook. The first is to head over to your browser and type in notebooklm.google, and that's going to take you here. Then simply click on Try Gemini Notebook. Now, you can also get access from any of your Google apps. Within your Google app, like Google Drive or Google Docs, navigate up to Apps and simply locate the Notebook app over here. Now, just quickly, let's jump over to Gemini. If you're using a free Google account inside of the Gemini app, you can quickly create and locate your notebooks on the left-hand side. For example, this is an existing notebook, which has 3 added sources, and then I can add a prompt and engage in research around this notebook. Now, if I jump into the Gemini app for a paid Google user, within a new chat, what I can do is click Add, More Uploads, and click on Notebooks. And here I can add a notebook or multiple and click Add. And again, use these notebooks to engage in research directly from the Gemini app. Okay, let's jump back over to Gemini Notebook. Also, another good thing about Gemini Notebook is you can engage in research or AI-driven note-taking from the mobile app. You can download this app on iOS or Android. This way you can generate content like podcast-style overviews and listen to them on the go, as well as engage in note-taking while you're out and about. Now, before I get you up and running, just quickly, what are key things that you can do inside of Gemini Notebook? Well, you can create dedicated notebooks based on your added resources. Now, these resources are sources that you add. These could be PDFs, websites, YouTube videos, audio files, or sources from other Google apps like Google Docs and Google Slides. Simply add the sources you want to your notebook. Now, as I've mentioned, you can also generate podcast-style audio overviews, as well as cinematic narrated video summaries. Gemini Notebook is also great for creating interactive flashcards, as well as custom quizzes and mind maps based on your added sources. You can simply generate summaries, notes, documents, and timelines based on your sources. Ultimately, you can create and better manage the way that you take notes inside of this powerful AI-powered research partner. Okay, so getting into it, from this interface, we can create a new notebook. Simply name your notebook and then add your sources down here. Again, these could be files like PDFs, specific website page links, or YouTube videos, images, documents, and more. And you can quickly add these from your drive. You can also copy and paste content from the internet and add that into your notebook. Let's close this. Then down here, you can add a specific prompt based on what you want to learn from your sources or the output you want to generate. And then within your studio, you have access to these amazing tools. And we'll talk more about these soon. Let's navigate back over to our dashboard and then jump over to collections. Now, this is a new feature, allowing you to create a collection of specific notebooks. For example, I'm going to call this collection Investing. Personally, I'm interested in everything to do with investing into the market. So these are relevant investing notebooks that I've created earlier. I can select many of these and add these to this collection. Now I have a relevant folder, a collection, that's made up of all my investing notebooks. I can click here, edit, delete, and add an emoji. If I click on the collection, that's going to show my notebooks. Okay, let's navigate back over to All and open up this notebook here. Over on the left-hand side, you can see my added sources, 3 YouTube videos and 1 website page. I currently have all these sources selected, and as you can see, I've named this notebook, What is an Index Fund? Here we have a summary of what is an index fund based on the sources added. Now I can navigate down here and ask a question, add a prompt, basically ask anything that I want to learn based on the sources added. For example, what are some popular index funds I could invest in? Give Gemini Notebook a moment to respond. And here are several popular index funds mentioned in your sources. And then we have information down here. If we navigate over to one of these numbers, you can see the citation, and then down here, we can view source and the cited source down here, where that information came from. Okay, let's navigate back over here. I can save to note, and that's going to add this response to my notes. If I click on notes here, you can see that note has been added. Okay, let's jump back over to Studio. We can also copy the content generated, create a new notebook, as well as view analytics if we've shared this content, this notebook, to other people to view. Simply click on Share, and you can share this notebook. Now, if we navigate over to Studio, this is where Gemini Notebook is an absolute game changer. And I mean a game changer for anyone. You can engage in research for study, for your business, or for personal interests. And you can also generate content. For example, let's select Audio Overview. And here we can generate an audio overview, for example, a podcast style audio. This is ideal if you prefer learning through listening to audios, especially if you enjoy conversations and discussions between individuals. Here we have a deep dive, brief, critique, and debate. I'm going to keep deep dive selected, choose your language, see the different options down here. Length, I'm going to select short, and then down here we can add what we want the AI host to focus on in this episode. I'm going to add, focus on why index fund investing is a leading wealth building strategy versus other types of investments. Let's go ahead and generate this audio. Give Gemini a moment to generate that audio. This could take a few minutes, so we need to be a bit patient. All right, let's go ahead and play this generated audio.
Since you likely already know the S&P 500 tracks the largest U.S. companies, think about how an index fund practically operates.
It's basically a sports league, right?
Exactly, where the standings strictly dictate the funding. You aren't guessing the champion, you're buying a stake in the league itself. As teams win, they naturally take up more space in your portfolio.
And well, as they lose, they're automatically filtered out.
It's ruthless.
It is, but it's an incredibly elegant self-cleansing mechanism. But human ego loves to intervene, you know? The temptation is always there to beat the system.
Pretty impressive, huh? So if you like to learn by digesting podcast-style audio, then you can generate an AI-driven conversation that sounds real and listen to this on the go, either from the web version here or from the mobile app. Now, you can also interact. Interactive mode means you can ask questions and the AI audio will pivot and help answer your question. So spend some time on this. Now, let's jump up to slide deck. And here we can create a speaking slide deck. Maybe I'm engaging in this research about index funds because I want to present to a group of people that are curious on investing in the market. So to help me with that presentation, I can create a slide deck. Let's go ahead and click Presenter Slides. I'll keep everything as they are. I can help Gemini by adding a direction down here to help create my slides. For now, let's go ahead and click on Generate. Again, give Gemini a moment. This slide deck will be generated based on my 4 sources added. Okay, so our slide deck has been generated. Let's go ahead and click here. We can preview the slide deck and then play the slide deck. The Passive Revolution, a beginner's blueprint to index fund investing. And then we have all of these different slides. Pretty cool, huh? Okay, let's close out of this and jump back over to Studio. Next, we have Video Overview. We can create a cinematic video overview and explain a video as well as a short video. If we wanted to create content to share on social media, then this would be ideal for Instagram Reels, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts. Maybe I run an investing brand and I want to quickly teach my audience on what an index fund is through a short video. I'm going to click here and simply add what is an index fund for new investors. Let's go ahead and generate this short video. Again, let's give Gemini Notebook a moment to generate this short video. Okay, let's go ahead and preview the video generated.
How does a single index fund reliably build long-term wealth? Because picking individual stocks is incredibly risky, and professional fund managers charge massive fees. Imagine a beginner with exactly $100 to safely invest in the market without picking companies. That $100 enters the index fund and is immediately shattered into tiny fractions. It automatically distributes the cash across a strict list of the 500 largest U.S. businesses. Because your money is spread across hundreds of massive companies at once, a single stock having a bad day barely impacts your overall total. But markets change over decades. What happens to the basket if one company crashes into total bankruptcy?
Okay, so that's an example of what you could generate. And as mentioned, there are many use cases for this. Okay, let's jump back over to Studio and click on Mind Map. And let's generate an example of the mind map. Again, this will be based on our 4 sources. Okay, let's go ahead and check out this mind map. Here we have index fund investing. Let's click on Key Benefits, Diversification, hundreds of companies, low volatility, and here we have thoughts on those key benefits that I selected. We can read through this, as well as make the mind map larger, and use this as a learning resource. Pretty cool, huh? Okay, let's jump back over to Studio, click on Reports, and we can create a specific report based on the exact report we want to generate. We can also generate a briefing document, study guide, blog post, and we have some other options down here based on our sources. For example, investment strategy analysis. Give Gemini Notebook a moment to generate that report. Okay, let's go ahead and click on this report, and you can see a detailed report here. Again, we can share, copy, export to docs, sheets, and delete. Jump back over to Studio and click on flashcards. Again, we can add a prompt. but let's go ahead and simply click on generate. Okay, and as you can see, investing flashcards have been created. Term, index, let's go ahead and see the answer. We have a definition here. Let's go next. Why is it impossible for an investor to buy into a market index directly? Let's go ahead and see the answer. And again, we have more across here. We can use this as a learning resource. You can see we have 60 flashcards. If your answer is wrong, or the group or individual that you're teaching, simply click here. Or if they answered right, again, click here. Okay, let's jump back up to Studio. And remember, you can share any of these resources by simply jumping down here and clicking on Share. We also have Quiz. Let's generate a quiz. Okay, let's click on the index quiz. And now we have a shareable quiz. According to the source materials, what is the primary reason why an index fund cannot outperform its benchmark index? Then down here we have a hint. I'm going to select A, and you can see that's correct. If we navigate down to next, that will take us to the next question. Okay, so that's the quiz. Again, you can simply share that by clicking here. Let's go ahead, click on Studio, and generate an infographic. Select the language, the orientation, and style. Okay, let's generate the infographic. Here we have the Index Fund Investment Guide, and look at that infographic. Let's go ahead and zoom in. Pretty cool, huh? And I could use this in my content. This could be on my blog, or inside a YouTube video, article, or post it across social media. As you can see, this is incredibly powerful. Okay, let's close out of this. And we can also generate a data table. Last but not least, let's go ahead and generate a data table. And here we have the data table that has been generated for us. And you can specify exactly what you want to pull from your sources. And there we have it for this Gemini Notebook tutorial. Now, if you got value from this video, make sure you leave a like and subscribe, and that way I'll see you in the next video. Take care, everyone.